Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're not from these locations that I'm going to mention, please click away. This video is not for you. This video is based on people's comments. I asked you guys to leave a comment. Let me know your location. A couple of you left your location. So this particular video is for you guys. So if you're from Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Uganda, South Africa, Tanzania, Rwanda, Ivory Coast, Senegal, Ethiopia, Malawi, Cameroon, Gabon, Benin, Congo, Chad, Zambia, and Sierra Leone. So if you're from these countries, please watch this video because it's going to benefit you. I found this app that pays you for simply uploading your shopping receipts, taking pictures of your shopping, taking pictures of your pantry, and everything that you buy from the supermarket. Imagine any money from, uploading your shopping receipts. Imagine earning extra money for taking a picture of your supermarket aisle and uploading it. So I'm going to share with you this website, this app rather, but it's for people from Africa, from West Africa. These countries that I've mentioned is for people basically, or only, it is for only Africans, only African countries. These countries that I've mentioned. So if you're from any of these countries, watch the video to the end as I'm going to show you the app, all you need to know within the app. This one pays you directly into your local bank account. The reason why I picked interest on this particular app is because it pays you directly into your local bank account. A lot of you find it difficult to make money online due to PayPal restrictions. A lot of you have not created your PayPal account using the video that I uploaded, but this one will pay you into your Zenith Bank, Access Bank, Diamond Bank, Enterprise Bank, or whatever bank you're using in your own country. This will pay you. Another thing is that it can also pay you via PayPal, which is in dollars. If you have a PayPal account, you can choose to be paid in dollar and receive through PayPal. But for this particular tutorial or this particular video, you can choose any country of yours. I'm going to show you all that you need to know in this app. And the minimum payout is $2. Guys, it is really good. So I'm very excited to share with you guys with this one. So watch till the end. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, like and share. Share this video because you can also earn by referring people. Okay, so even if you're referring your friends, let them watch the video to know the step-by-step guide on how to sign up and start earning. So let's dive right into. So this is the app, and this one is your gigs. Gigs are the tasks that you're meant to complete each day. So I haven't completed some of them. For this one is daily log shopping, which means you need to log in, like upload pictures of your daily shopping. Anything you buy, guys, upload it here. So it's a task that I need to complete and get paid. So once you complete your task, you upload the pictures as required. Just tap on it. It will tell you what you need to do. Like this one says, for this task, you need to record your daily purchases from any store, supermarket, or convenience shop. If you have a receipt, please upload a photo of it. Also take a picture of the shelf where you got the product. So you need to read through the requirements and make sure that you abide so that you earn the money that you're supposed to earn. So you can see the history. These are the ones that are still pending, the ones that I've uploaded that have not been confirmed. So once they review and confirm it, or review and approve it, like this one has been approved. This is 1 cent. Just by completing my profile, I earned 1 cent. 0.00 cents actually. So this will be the ones that are declined. You see them there. For your wallet, this is where you can withdraw your money if it reaches $2. Just click on this withdraw button and you withdraw your money. So I just wanted to show you guys that it is for people in Nigeria and it pays you directly into your local bank account. So for your payment, I already linked my PayPal account because I'm not in Nigeria. So I linked my PayPal account and I want to be paid in dollar. So, but if you don't have a PayPal account, connect to your local bank account. Just select your country and select from any of these African countries here. Like I said, you can see all the African countries are here. So let's select Nigeria, for instance. So you can see that the Naira currency is there. And then you select your bank name. You can see all the banks in Nigeria: Enterprise Bank, all the banks, Central Bank of Nigeria, First Bank, Citibank, Union Bank, even United Bank for Africa. So select your bank and put it there, and then put your bank account number, and then you'll be paid directly into your local bank account. So this one, make sure, let me tell you guys, this referral program, they are paying a lot of money. If you refer people, you're gonna get paid so much money to refer people. So how to make more money from this app is by referring people. Basically, they will tell you how to do that. If you need help, just go to the help center. They have a WhatsApp number, so you can contact them, or you can read their facts to get acquainted. Also, make sure that you enable your notifications so that whenever surveys become available or any task at all becomes available, it will pop up on your phone screen, and you complete it and earn the money. So how to refer people is by sharing this code, and when they sign up using your code, you get paid. So I saw this one today, and I decided to share it with you guys. I don't want you guys to be left out. December is just a few days from now, and I know that everybody is looking for how to earn extra income before December finally comes. Okay, so I'll leave the name of the app, I'll leave it on the description, and I'll also leave it on the screen. Ruwazi is the name of the app. Just go to your Play Store, search for it, and download it. I'm not sure if it's on App Store, but you can check out if it is there. If it's there, download it, sign up with your email address or your Google account, and start earning your own money. So this is really good because you're not going to be doing any tedious task. You're just going to be earning money from simply uploading your shopping receipt or whatever you buy from the shop or the store, whatever you buy from the store. Yeah, so that is how this one works. I have other ones that work the same, that pays you points for uploading your shopping. I do those ones as well. Every week you must make sure that you upload something from your shopping, and if you're not going to be available, there's also option for you to say I'm on holiday, so that there will not be any penalties for not uploading. So this is how it works. You can see this one. Let's see this one. So there's also a task now. It says refer and earn. Update your Ruwazi app, grab your referral code from your profile, then you create a fun video inviting friends to join Ruwazi, then you tag them on your social media platforms, you add your video link to the referral task in the app, then top 10 referrals win $50 each. Everyone earns 0.100 cents per referral. So start now, share it on your social media platforms like your WhatsApp statuses, and start getting referrals and start making your money. So guys, this will do it for us. I hope you like this one. I hope you leave a comment, like, and share the video, and I hope you invite your friends and family to partake in this one, and I'll see you in the next one.